Hello, little learners. Today, we will learn the sounds of letters. Are you ready? Let's go! N, T, ant, bag, B-A-G, bag, gag, crab, C-R-A-B, crab, D-E-E-D, ear, D-E-E-R, deer, B-E-E-E for egg, E-G-G, egg, for frog, F-R-O-O-G, frog, grapes, G-R-A-P-E-S, grapes, H for hen, H-E-N, hen, hens, I for insect, I-N-S-E-C-T, insect, J for jam, J-A-M, jam, K for king, K-I-N-G, king, L for lamb, L-A-M-P, lamb, elf, M for moon, M-O-O-N, moo, moo, N for net, N-E-T, net, O-O-O-O for ox, O-X, ox, P-U-B for pear, P-E-A-R, pear, Q-Q for quilt, Q-U-I-L-T, cloak, R-R-R for rose, R-O-S-E, rose, rose, N for nose, S-N-A-K-E, snake, T-T-T for train, T-R-A-I-N, train, U-boo-boo for unicorn, U-N-I-C-O-R-N, unicorn, O for Ben, V-A-N, then, W-O-O for wheel, W-H-E-E-E-L, wheel, X for sister, X-Y-S-T-E-R, sister, Y-I-I for yogurt, Y-O-G-U-R-T, yogurt, zip for zero, Z-E-R-O, zero, we learned our phonics. A for apple, A-P-P-L-E, apple, B for ball, B-A-L, ball, C for cat, C-A-T, cat, D-O-G, dog, E-E-E for elephant, E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T, elephant, F for fish, F-I-S-H, fish, G for goat, G-O-A-T, goat, H for hat, H-A-T, hat, I for ice cream, I-C-E-C-R-E-A-M, ice cream, J for jug, jug, cup, K for kite, K-I-T-E, kite, L for lion, L-I-O-N, lion, M for mango, M-A-N-G-O, mango, N for nest, N-E-S-T, nest, O for orange, O-R-A-N-G-E, orange, P for panda, P-A-N-D-A, panda, Q for queen, Q-U-E-E-N, queen, R for rabbit, R-A-B-B-I-T, rabbit, S for sun, S-U-N, sun, T for tiger, T-I-G-E-R, tiger, U for umbrella, U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A, umbrella, F for violin, V-I-O-L-I-N, violin, W for watermelon, W-A-T-E-R-M-E-L-O-N, watermelon, X for xylophone, X-Y-L-O-P-H-O-N-E, xylophone, Y-I-I for yak, book. B says ball, ball. B is for ball, ball, ball. C says C, cat. C is for cat, cat, cat. D says dog, dog. D is for dog, dog. E says E, elephant. E is for elephant, elephant. F says F, fish. F is for fish, F for fish. G says goat, goat. G is for goat, goat. H says hat, eight. H is for hat, hat, hat. I says I, igloo, I-U. I is for igloo, I, igloo, I, igloo. J says jelly, jelly, jelly. J is for jelly, jelly, jelly. K is for kite, kite. K is for kite, kite, kite. L says lion, lion. L is for lion, lion, lion. M says monkey, monkey. N is for monkey, monkey, monkey. N says nest, nest. N is for nest, nest, nest. O cell, orange, orange. O is for orange, O, O, O. And he says panda. P is for panda, panda, panda. He says queen, queen. Q is for queen, queen, queen. R says rabbit, rabbit. R is for rabbit, rabbit, rabbit. S is for sun, S, sun. T is for tiger, T is for tiger. U says U, umbrella. U is for umbrella. U is for umbrella. Is for violin, V, the violin. W is for watermelon. Whoa, whoa, watermelon, watermelon, watermelon. X is for xylophone. X is for xylophone. Xylophone. Y says yak. Y is for yak. Yak. Zebra, zebra, zebra. Now we know our phonics sounds. Sing them loud and clear.
One sun in the sky.
O-N-E, one tongue.
Two cute shoes.
T-W-O, two,
Three buzzing bees.
T-H-R-E-E, three. Four, open doors. F-O-U-R, four, on. Five, jumping frogs. F-I-V-E, five, fun. Six, colorful bricks.
S-I-X, six.
Seven, flying kites. S-E-V-E-N, seven. Eight, yummy grapes. E-I-G-H-T, eight. Nine, bouncing balls. N-I-N-E, nine. Ten, little hens. T-E-N, 10.
11, let's spell them too.
11, let's spell. E-L-E-E-E, and 11.
12, it's fun.
T-W-E-L-V-E, 12.
13, hop.
T-H-I-R-T-E-E-N, 13.
14, jump and stop.
F-O-U-R-T-E-E-N, 14. 15, clap your hands. F-I-S-T-E-E-N, 15.
16, let's run fast.
S-I-X-T-E-E-N, 16. 17, touch the sky. S-E-V-E-N-T-E-E-E-N, 17. 18, wave goodbye. E-I-G-H-T-E-E-N, 18. 19,
stomp your feet.
N-I-N-E-T-E-E-N, 19. 20, hooray, we're neat. T-W-E-N-T-Y, 20.
Great job, kids, you spelled with me.
See you next time and keep spelling with me.